Hey there guys, Dr. Ray here again, CEO and founder of the Learning Liaisons. So in this quick video, I want to give you an inside look into one of our FTCE on-demand video courses. So in some of the other videos here on my YouTube channel, I give you a tour of the website and some of the other functionality of the website. But in this video, I'm going to give you an inside look on FTCE video courses when you sign up. So let's pretend you already registered in one of our courses, you created your account, you registered, you paid, you have access. So you're going to sign in again. And you could sign in from anywhere in the world, on any phone, any laptop. So let me sign into my little dummy account here, and we'll give you a quick tour on what to expect in the video courses. So when you sign in, it takes you to your dashboard. So whatever courses you register will be in here. There's a couple of cool functions you should definitely check out. We have a messaging service, so you can send me messages, anyone else in your courses, or a referral program. We've got some news and cool stuff for teachers and college students. But let's get into the nitty-gritty here. So let's check out one of these courses. So let's say I am enrolled in my GK essay course. So I want to access it, click in there. And in this course, you've got a series of modules. And obviously it starts with module 1 where there's an introduction there. There's me again, right there on there. A little quick thing about the course, about myself. We've got some written instructions here on how the course works. Okay. We've got our series of video modules here. So in this course, for example, there are 8 video modules, and I actually model an essay in the last module, and you could download all the slides from the presentation as well. So that's basically how the FTCE video courses are set up. We've got some other functions here on the top where all the people that are active in your course now are here. But the most coolest function of all of our video courses is that there's a discussion board. So if you have a question or a comment or concern, once you put it in here, it sends an instant message to myself, and you can post comments and discussions in here, just kind of like a Facebook feed right here. So people ask me questions here and they're confused about something. People put in this course examples of thesis statements or questions about transition words. So even though it's pre-recorded in a video course, you always have access to me in this course 24/7, or you can text me or social media. But this is probably one of the more popular ways of communicating. And teachers also help each other in here as well, because as we know as classroom teachers, or if you're training to be one, we all learn better from our peers. So when people pose questions and answer them within the group, that is the best situation possible. So that's a very cool aspect I'm excited about in our FTCE video courses. So that's basically it. All the courses have all the slides to download, all the video modules, any other additional resources that are shared are all in the course. So once you're done, you can just click on this little button here. It has all my courses on here. You can go shoot right to your profile, some of the news in there. Or if you just want to sign out, you just click sign out, and there we are back at the home page. So I want to thank you for your attention in this real quick short video. Hope you got a little quick insight onto how the video courses are set up and the functionality. So once again, my name is Dr. Ray. I'm the CEO and founder of the Learning Liaisons. And always remember, it's when you pass, not if you pass. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you.